India is a dead economy and can go down with another dead economy of Russia. US President Donald Trump ranted on his Truth social media today while alluding to oil reserve deals with Pakistan. Hours after US President Donald Trump declared a 25% tariff with additional penalties on India, he announced a trade deal with Pakistan, touting a joint initiative to develop oil reserves in India's terror harboring neighbor, and even floated the idea that someday Islamabad might sell oil to New Delhi. In a post on Truth Social, Trump stated that the United States and Pakistan are currently in the process of selecting the oil company for the partnership. Quote, "We have just concluded a deal with the country of Pakistan, whereby Pakistan and United States will work together on developing their massive oil reserves. We are in the process of choosing the oil company that will lead this partnership. Who knows, maybe they'll be selling to India someday," Trump stated. These remarks came after Trump announced a 25% tariff and additional penalty on Indian imports starting August 1st, citing Washington's trade deficit with New Delhi and best disapproval of India's import of Russian oil. Trump, in his post, further stated that he had conversations on trade deals with leaders of many countries. And he said, and I'm quoting, all of whom want to make the United States extremely happy. Quote, "We were very busy in the White House today working on trade deals. I have spoken to the leaders of many countries, all of whom want to make the United States extremely happy. I will be meeting with the South Korean trade delegation this afternoon. South Korea is right now at a 25% tariff, but they have an offer to buy down those tariffs. I will be interested in hearing what that offer is," the post read. He also noted that many countries are currently making offers to the US for tariff reduction. He added, "Likewise, other countries are making offers for tariff reduction. All of this will help reduce our trade deficit in a very major way. A full report will be released at the appropriate time. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Make America great again." He signed off. Following Trump's announcements on tariff, the government of India said it has taken note and is studying the implications. A statement by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry reads, "India and the US have been engaged in negotiations on concluding a fair, balanced, and mutually beneficial bilateral trade agreement for the last few months. We remain committed to that objective. The government attaches the utmost importance of protecting and promoting the welfare of our farmers, entrepreneurs, and MSMEs."